The new microwave oven from IFB is an advanced multifunctional appliance with super dynamic attributes to make you a master of microwave cooking. Its chrome-finished front has a touch control panel with an LED display screen. Inside, you get 23 litres of capacity, which is enough even for large families or to heat food when you throw a small party. The glass plate has a 27 centimetre diameter, big enough to prevent food from spilling on the microwave's cavity. The microwave is loaded with advanced features. There's a keep warm feature that maintains a constant temperature to keep cooked food warm without burning it. It also has a steam clean feature to knock off the grease that accumulates inside over time when you cook oily food. There's even a deodorize function to keep the appliance clean and germ-free. Another advanced feature is the combo and multi-stage cooking, which uses a combination of the appliance's microwave, grill and convection modes. Use it to cook food like thin slices of meat, omelettes, baking potatoes, etc. The IFB microwave comes with 10 auto-cook menus and 10 power states, with 900 watts maximum power output. Simply enter the weight of your food and touch Quick Start to begin cooking your favorite food, be it cakes, reheating your dinner, making spicy chicken, or simply warming milk. The microwave has an electronic safety child lock system to lock the door by touching and holding the stop reset button for 3 seconds. This state disables all control pads, thereby ensuring complete safety, especially for homes with small children. The appliance comes bundled with cooking utensils, which include a roller ring, grill heaters, and a baking plate. The microwave has a 16 amperes 3-pin plug with a grounding wire for safety and a socket behind the microwave to hold it safely when not plugged in. Please check the dimensions of this microwave to see if it fits in your kitchen. This wonderful product comes with a 1-year warranty on the machine and 3 years on the magnetron and cavity. Installation and demo are free when you buy it. That was a quick overview of the IFB 23SC3 microwave appliance. We hope you found it useful.